Finding a legitimate work from home job can feel overwhelming. Every day, thousands of people search for remote jobs online, hoping to find flexible work they can do from home. Unfortunately, many job seekers end up running into misleading advertisements, outdated listings, or websites that make unrealistic promises. The good news is that there are established platforms where companies actively advertise remote positions and connect with job seekers around the globe. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 websites that are commonly used to find remote work opportunities. These platforms feature a variety of roles, including customer support, virtual assistants, data entry, marketing, writing, software development, project management, sales, and many other professional fields. Keep in mind that job availability varies by location, experience level, and employer requirements. No websites can guarantee employment, but these platforms can be useful resources for finding legitimate remote opportunities. So yeah, let's start with number 10. Number 10 is We Work Remotely. The first website, which is basically We Work Remotely, is one of the largest remote job boards on the internet. Companies use this platform to advertise remote positions across a variety of industries. Popular categories include customer support, programming, design, marketing, sales, product management, and content creation. One reason many job seekers like this platform is that it focuses specifically on remote work rather than traditional office jobs. When browsing listings, pay close attention to job descriptions because some employers may require applicants to live in specific countries or time zones. If you're serious about finding a remote position, We Work Remotely is a good place to begin your search. The number 9 in today's video is Flexjobs. Flexjobs specializes in remote, hybrid, and flexible work opportunities. The platform screens job listings before posting them, which helps reduce the number of misleading opportunities that sometimes appear on public job boards. You can find opportunities in fields such as administration, accounting, education, healthcare, customer service, project management, and technology. Many people appreciate Flexjobs because it focuses heavily on professional remote careers rather than quick online gigs. If you're looking for a long-term work from home position, this platform may be worth exploring. And then number 8 on today's list is remote.co. This is actually a dedicated entirely remote work platform that features job opportunities from companies that embrace distributed teams and remote first work environments. Categories often include customer support, recruiting, writing, design, sales, human resource, and marketing. One useful feature is the educational content available on this platform, which can help remote workers understand best practices for working from home successfully. And then moving to number 7 in today's video is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the entire globe. Instead of applying for traditional jobs, freelancers can connect directly with clients seeking assistance on specific projects here. You can find opportunities related to writing, bookkeeping, virtual assistants, graphic design, video editing, programming, social media management, and many other skills. Some freelancers use Upwork for occasional side projects, while others build full-time freelance businesses through the platform. Success typically depends on your skills, portfolio, communication abilities, and client reviews. And then moving to number 6 in today's video is the popular Fiverr. This is actually another awesome platform for remote freelance work. Rather than applying for jobs here, freelancers create service listings that clients can purchase, which is basically referred to as gigs. Services may include logo design, video editing, AI consulting, writing, voiceover work, social media management, resume writing, and virtual assistants. One advantage of Fiverr is that it allows freelancers to package their services and showcase their expertise. As with any freelance platform, building a strong profile and delivering quality work can help improve visibility over time. And then moving to number 5 in today's video is the popular LinkedIn. Many people think of LinkedIn only as a networking platform, but it is also one of the most powerful places to search for remote jobs. Thousands of employers post remote positions on LinkedIn every day. Job seekers can use filters to search specifically for remote opportunities. LinkedIn also allows users to build professional profiles, connect with recruiters, follow companies, and demonstrate their expertise through content and recommendation. Maintaining an updated profile can improve your visibility when recruiters search for candidates. And then moving to number 4 in today's video is Indeed. Indeed remains one of the largest job search websites in the entire globe. By using the remote work filter, job seekers can discover a wide range of work from home opportunities. This may include customer service positions, virtual assistant jobs, administrative roles, technical support positions, marketing jobs, and many others. One advantage of Indeed is the sheer volume of listings available. However, because of the large number of postings, it's important to review job descriptions carefully and research potential employers before applying. And then moving to number 3 in today's list is Freelancer. Freelancer connects businesses with independent professionals across multiple industries. Projects ranging from writing and design to software development, accounting, marketing, and administrative support. The platform allows freelancers to submit proposals and complete full projects hosted by clients. For individuals interested in building experience while working remotely, Freelancer offers access to a global marketplace of opportunities. And then moving to number 2 in today's list is People Per Hour. This is actually another platform focused on freelance services. Businesses can hire professionals for both short-term and long-term projects. Popular categories in this particular platform include digital marketing, website development, content writing, graphic design, business support, and social media management. The platform is particularly useful for freelancers who want to work with clients from different countries and industries. Building a strong portfolio can help increase your chances of attracting new clients. And then moving to number 1 in today's list is Remote OK. Remote OK is one of the most recognized remote job boards available today. The websites aggregate remote opportunities from companies around the world and provide filters that make it easier to find positions based on industry, skill level, and job type. You may find openings in customer service, software development, writing, marketing, design, operations, and many other fields. For many remote job seekers, Remote OK has become a regular part of their job search routine because it focuses on fully remote opportunities. And here you have it, guys. These are basically the 10 websites that can help you find legitimate remote work opportunities in 2026. Remember, finding a remote job often requires patience, persistence, and preparation. Having an updated resume, a professional online presence, and relevant skills can significantly improve your chances of success. Rather than applying to hundreds of jobs randomly, consider focusing on positions that match your experience and strength. I'd love to hear from you guys. Have you ever worked remotely, or are you currently searching for a work from home job? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more videos about remote work, freelancing, online careers, AI tools, and work from home opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.